Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go ahead and go over Last Fit. They just sent me their 4-way air down hose and their air compressor. So he's never done or used the 4-way inflator. So we're going to go ahead and on his truck, we're going to go ahead and go over it. So as we're going over it, he's going to just kind of do it for the first time. And if he's got any questions, he'll ask it.
Yeah, so this is my first time. I've never done this. I haven't even looked in this bag, so we'll figure it out together and we'll rock and roll.
All right, so Last Fit came with this bag, the instructions for it. And then it also came with, inside of this little case that just dropped. So once he opens that up, it's a digital reader. And thankfully, Last Fit, actually keep that on. So Last Fit sent this little bungee, which is really nice. So what we do with this is we can either hang it up anywhere you want. So we're gonna go ahead and attach it to that C4 logo. So like so. And then you kind of let that hang there. So when you either air up or air down, you don't have to worry about a whole lot of stuff. So you can hang it there. Depending on how long your hoses are, or your truck is, kind of like that.
Nice. Let's keep that there.
So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna hold this side. And he's gonna stretch it out all the way to the end of the tire. And what's nice is these do come with little dust covers for each of the connecting points. So oh, he might have a leak. Oh, go ahead, take it off. So we didn't connect to the compressor.
There we go.
So we go ahead. Hey Russell, you want to do this for me real quick?
Yeah.
I got one hand. All right, so he's gonna go ahead and connect it to that. Go and push in. Yep. And then make sure this is in the closed position. Sorry, closed position so that way it doesn't leak out air. And then we'll go ahead and run this other hose to the other side once it gets it.
I'm good to go with this now?
Yep.
All right. Perfect. Oh, that's much better. That makes sense.
Okay.
I like how they Velcroed this up. It's all nice and tight.
Yeah, it's really nice. And then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna connect it up here. And what's cool is it tells you the combination PSI. So he's at 24.8 currently on those two tires. Okay. And do the same thing on this side. He's gonna stretch it out. There we go. Easy as that, man. One more, and then all we gotta do is hook up the air compressor and we're build the air up. All right.
We're rocking.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is once we have all this, we're gonna go ahead and pull this up here, set it up right there. Hook up this bad boy to the bottom section of this. Just push. Yep, there you go.
All right.
And then your alligator clips go on your battery terminals. And we can go ahead and switch this around actually because we're going to need something.
You got a good connection?
Yep, we are powered up, as you can see. Okay, so let's say he wants it at 30 psi. Which is currently at. You have a 30 or 32?
This is a 32.
32. It's 31, 32. And we hit the power button.
Add a little movement on that.
I know.
You hit the power button, be ready for it to move.
So if you guys don't want that, you can go ahead, if you want to go ahead and take that down. So what we're gonna do, yep. So now all we gotta do is walk away. We don't have to worry about nothing. And what it's gonna do is it's going to automatically shut off, turn back on multiple times as it airs up. So when it airs up, you don't have to worry about nothing. So you have your current readout. Oop, there we go. So we have your current readout, which I probably should have that open. And then what it's currently at, 32. All right. So it's gonna read every single time. So what's kind of nice about this is you have two different gauges to kind of tell you where you're currently sitting at and what the air compressor is at. So you don't have to worry about anything. So if you want to go talk with your buddies while you're on the trail, go for it. So let's see where it's at. It's at 29.8. This is all four tires at the same time, so everything's going to be equalized across the board. And I'm going to go ahead and stop it when we're done. And just like that, it is all done. So we got pretty close. We got 31.7 and inside the truck. Hit the tab. It is, let's see what the TPS is telling us. So it's pretty close. Oop, that focuses. And of course, the jar. All right, sorry about that. Okay, so we got 27 front left, 31, 31, 31. So I think the TMPS sensor, or, oh, that's why. It's because we're on a hill. So once it gets moving, it will equal out. But if you guys need last fit air compressor or a four-way air down, air up hose.
I will say this, I'm kind of a simple, do one tire at a time type person. So I was a little skeptical about this, but after seeing this, this is definitely going to be a must grab for my pack. This was really nice how it sets up, does everything for you. Yeah, it's good stuff.
All right, so go to LastFit or lastfitoffroad.com. Check out their Instagram as well. And check down below in my description for a discount code. Thanks, guys.